Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a quiz using linked questions based on text. This feature allows you to create new quizzes using existing questions and avoid recreating questions that already exist. To create such quiz, go to the course where you want to add it. Then click the arrow next to the Add Quiz and choose Link Questions using text. After that, enter the name of the quiz and click Create. Once the quiz is created, click Link Question using Text button. Next, select the text whose questions you want to choose and choose Add Questions. After the questions are added to the quiz, you will be able to choose the number of questions that will be displayed to the learners in the quiz. Then make sure to save your changes by clicking Save. You can also add questions that contain multiple texts. In this case, only questions that include all the selected texts will appear in the quiz. You can also add questions that include multiple texts. In this case, only questions that include all the selected texts will appear in the quiz. This allows you to create quizzes more flexibly and make better use of your existing question bank. I hope this helps, and good luck with your academy!